Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust aspect ratio on your DREAME TV. To adjust the aspect ratio on your TV, press the gear button on your remote control to open quick settings menu, then select the gear icon on the screen to open all settings, and here select picture and sound menu, then go to screen, and here in the screen change it to this to the aspect ratio that you need. So let's, for example, use the full screen resolution, and once we set the full screen resolution, the changes will be applied immediately. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.